Hi Vinod. So this issue is basically on process log page where customer name is not getting interpreted correctly if customer name has this ampersand in it. So this workflow I set and it got processed. I have three actions: send email, create discussion, and create task. So if I go to the process log, for create task I have the merge field customer vendor name which is displayed correctly, but if I check send email, the customer vendor name is not displayed correctly. It is showing ampersand when for this and symbol. It is showing correctly for create discussion and for create task, but issue is only with the send email action, and same thing is displayed in the email received. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.